Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about how we can use the break and continue statement in Python. Let's start with the break statement. What is break statement? Simply, break statement means to break any sort of looping or any sort of program. Just like if we are doing certain loop operation and if we uncertainly want to terminate the program from certain area, then we can simply write the break statement over there. A simple syntax for break statement is break over there. Now just have a look how can we use the break statement. Just like for any type of sequence we have, if any condition arise over there and you want to break, then we simply break it, the write the break syntax. Just like for while also, if we do any expression is executed and if condition is occur, then we can simply write break over here. Now let's try through some beautiful example. Now let's try for this one. Yeah, you can have a look over here. If we find the value, you can see over here, if we find the value I, then simply we break the statement and print the value. Then you can see over here, okay, some sorts of error. Oh, it's in. Okay, then you can see over here str is printed. After str there is I, and when this variable gets I, then it simply breaks the statement over there. Now let's try for some of the range, just like for range 6 over here, for x in numbers, if x equal to 4, then simply break the statement, then simply print the value of x. Then see over here what you will get. You will get up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is up to 4th index. Now let's have a look to simple example for one tuple over here. Just like if I define this tuple over here, and if I try for count of tuple, let's have a look. Okay, sum of 0, and if I provide the count at first is this one, then for x in numbers, let's try for this stuff, no, and sum plus x, and let's count. Okay, if we get up to 5th count, then we simply break the statement and prints out the sum of first 5 count of numbers is non-sum. Yeah, you can have a look over here. You can see over here. Okay, it's comma over here. See what it gives out. Okay, it gives out the sum of first 5 count of number is, it's a iterated over each over, it should be over here, then it might be perfect. Yeah, you can have a look over here. The sum of first 5 count of number is 15. This is the condition for break statement in for using for loop. Now let's try using while loop over here also. Let's try for while loop. Let's make some, yeah, it's like we count for value of 10, and this one here, this is not needed. Now let's have a look. Okay, it's either here, okay, not here, it's a count. Then you can have a look here. The sum of first 5 count of number is 10 over here, because it's started from 0 to up to 5, up to 4. This much for the break statement. Now let's move towards the continue statement. We will learn what is continue statement over here. Simply, continue statement is simply used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for current iteration only, for only the simple first, for only the that's condition. Here the loop is not terminated. Simply for continue statement we write continue, continue as its syntax. Now let's try for some of the example. Okay, for any value in string over here, if value equal to I, you can continue print val. Yeah, you can have a look over here. It's printed strng. It's simply removed I from here, because it started from here, and it started from S, it goes for T, and it goes from I, and when it gets I, it's wait a second, it's simply wait, and it simply runs the other code, simply runs the other loop. Let's try for more example. It's like for I in range up to 7 number, if x equal to 3 or x equal to 6, we can simply look over here, continue. Okay, then you can simply print the value of x. Okay, just have a look over here. Okay, I have 3 over here. You can see over here it's printed 0, 1 and 2, and its weights and just remove the 3 over from there, and it starts from 4 and 5, and it's again replace the 6. If we write 10 over here, then you can see over here others value also comes after 6 only, gets removed. Yeah, here see you will not get 3 and 6 over here. This much for the continue statement. Now let's have a look over the nested loop. What is nested loop? Simply, nested loop can be defined as the loop inside the loop. Just like, for example, if I define one list over here, like big, and it's tested and first, simply I will define, it's like if I define z, y, and c. Now x for x in here, for y in here, simply prints the value of x and y. This is called the nested loop. This is the loop inside the loop itself. Okay, you can see over here, you will get the output over here. Now let's understand more statement that is more about the statement that is pass statement. What is pass statement? Simply, pass statement can be defined as the syntax that is used to simply pass the any function or the null function if we did not require anything. Just like, for example, if I provide any sequence, just like if z, okay, just like this one, yeah, and if I try for val in sequence, just pass, you can see over here no any operation will be executed over here. It simply passes the function, says that it is correct. You can simply define pass to simply pass the null value and make it work over there. Now this was for the this video. In this video we have learned about break and continue statement along with the pass and nested loop. In the next tutorial we will learn about function in Python. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.